Either there is going to be a deal, or even if there isn't, we're going to win it pretty easily. I get the sense most investors think something will get done. And so I'm pretty sure that there's asymmetric risk to the downside here. And I'd be surprised if something gets done anytime soon. So I'm a lot more concerned about the effects and the economic effects that I think we're already seeing because of this trade war.
Part of your thinking on that, Ian, is that if this continues to escalate, that China's actually better placed to win the battle than the U.S. Is that right?
Absolutely. We forget that they're an autocracy. We always talk about how we're stronger economically, but who's to say what they're going to actually tell their people? And if their people ever say anything, they disappear. Meanwhile, our soy farmers and everybody else has real-time information about how these tariffs are hitting us. So I'm not so sure we're in such a strong position when it comes to winning this trade war against China.
So, Victoria, I mean, if you look at which sectors did well and which didn't, utilities on top again, continues to outshine everyone else as a safe place to go. But financials and energy also closed positive. What does that tell you about where you want to be right now?
Well, you know, when we're looking at our investments, we've actually started making the shift a little bit more towards value stocks than towards growth stocks. And I think you're just seeing a little bit of risk off. People looking maybe for some of the safety and the utilities, the more bond-like vehicles that we see. I think it's good to see financials come back because they've taken a big hit. And it's no surprise that we saw the chips in the tech segment really take the hit because of the Huawei ban. So it's not surprising to see that. I like the fact that the market came back off of its lows. I think that tells us that there's some momentum going forward, and we're kind of reducing some of the noise to particular segments. But we need to take a longer term look and make sure that you're well diversified.